Hello, this is Nana, a medical student from the University of Queensland, studying to become a medical doctor. In our generation, food and health are always being brought up by people. We all know that food is essential to our health. However, many people only focus on the amount of food that we're eating instead of what sort of food that we are eating. With some investigations on the relationship between the sorts of food that we are consuming and our gut health, and how our gut health directly impacting our body health, Colin, my grandfather, came up with a simple and convenient community project that will benefit people in communities. I will hand it to Colin now and let him explain the basic connections between food and our health.
Fat and sugar are often regarded as the nutritional baddies. Yet, there is fat in every cell, and sugar, in the form of glucose, is what powers our brains and bodies. We'd simply be dead without them. At the other extreme, too much of either is very harmful. We need just the right amount, and over thousands of years, we have evolved a system of precisely controlling the right amount of sugar and fat. Unfortunately, our modern food system has deranged this control system, raising the set point so we end up fat. Who actually wants to be fat? Fat is related to many diseases like diabetes, heart attacks, dementia, cancer, etc. And anyway, who would want to waddle around like a duck when they can be lean, fit and healthy? But why do we get fat? The answer is simple, is that we eat food based on carbon, then burn that into energy-releasing carbon dioxide, which we breathe out. If we eat more carbon than we breathe out, our bodies turn this into fat. But this is not the real answer. The question is, why do we eat more carbon than we breathe out? For some 1.6 million years, Homo erectus and later Homo sapiens evolved a control system which regulated how much carbon we ate, so they did not get fat. The fat ones simply got eaten by wild animals. But in the last 50 years, we have all got a bit or a lot fatter. Why? Again, it is not simply the abundance of sugary, fatty food. The answer lies with our intelligent control system, which manages our appetite. Some people, very few, have a genetic problem, so they do not recognize leptin, the hormone that makes us feel full and stop eating. Many, more commonly, people will get into a routine of eating when young and need a lot of energy, but as they get older and use less energy, they overeat out of habit, even though they're not hungry. But far more common is a deficit in the diet. It could be a deficit in the food that feeds our gut biome, so you end up with a sugar craving gut, or it could be a deficit in some critical trace minerals. Deficits are common with our modern food, full of fats and sugars, but low in food to feed our gut biome and those essential micronutrients. The solution is to follow what our ancient ancestors did. Make sure our diet contains the fresh microbes and trace minerals that their diet contains before we bought inert food in plastic containers. But how do we get this fresh food when many of us live in cities, in flats and apartments, so they cannot grow this food to supplement their diet? This is what the GBiota Community Food Project is all about. Local growers set up GBiota beds to grow living soil full of beneficial microbes and minerals. The soil is then put into GBiota boxes to grow plants, which are harvested and eaten while fresh before the microbes die. If you are interested in joining the GBiota Community Food Movement, then register as either a grower or consumer at www.gbiota.com/community and link up to form a local group.
By joining us, you can not only benefit yourself, but also help people you loved and cared. In this channel, we make more videos about it. Please go to the channel and have a look of these videos. They will give you a new understanding of food and gut health. If you would like to be a part of this community-based project or would like to know more about it, please visit www.gbiota.com. You can also subscribe this channel and watch more related videos. We're looking forward to connect with you.